podcasthero.com. Welcome to The Daily Quote, a podcast designed to kickstart your day in a positive way. I'm your host, Andrew McGivern, for December 15th. Today is International Tea Day, a global celebration of the world's most consumed beverage, after water, that is. Tea has been cultivated for over 5,000 years, originating in China and eventually spreading across the world through trade routes and colonization. Tea is grown in more than 50 countries and consumed in virtually every culture on Earth. Whether it's green tea in Japan, chai in India, mint tea in Morocco, or English breakfast in Britain, tea crosses all borders. But tea is more than a drink. It's a ceremony in Japan. It's hospitality in the Middle East. It's a pause button in Britain. Across cultures, tea creates a moment to stop, breathe, and connect with yourself, with others, and the present moment. And that brings us to today's quote from Chinese philosopher and inventor, Lin Yutang, who captured tea's deeper purpose when he wrote, "There is something in the nature of tea that leads us into a world of quiet contemplation of life." Yutang understood that tea does something unique. Coffee energizes, alcohol loosens, but tea quiets. Making tea requires patience. You boil water, you steep leaves, you wait. In a world of instant everything, tea demands you slow down. Then when you finally drink it, the warmth, the ritual, the flavor, they all encourage contemplation. Tea creates space for thought, not anxious racing thought, quiet contemplation, the kind where you notice things, where problems seem smaller, where clarity emerges. Every culture understands this. The Japanese tea ceremony isn't about the tea, it's about presence, mindfulness, awareness. British afternoon tea isn't about hunger, it's about creating a civilized pause in the day. Moroccan mint tea isn't about refreshment, it's about welcoming strangers and making them family. Tea in its nature slows us down and asks us to pay attention to life while we're living it. So today, go make tea, not coffee. You're not in that much of a rush. Drink tea. Boil the water, choose your leaves, steep them properly. Then sit down and drink it without your phone, without distractions, without multitasking. Let the tea do what Yutang says it does, lead you into quiet contemplation. Think about your life, not anxiously, quietly. What matters? What doesn't? What needs attention? What needs to be released? Give yourself that gift. Tea isn't just a beverage, it's a doorway to presence. And that's going to do it for today. I'm Andrew McGivern signing off for now. But I'll be back tomorrow. Same pod time, same pod station, with another daily quote.